Hi, it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. This week's stamping collab was hosted by Patty's Polish Corner. Individual photos of everybody's manicure will be at the end and links to everybody's video in the description box below. Before I get started with my manicure, I wanted to mention that I'm joining the Rainbow Nails Halloween Challenge with My Bliss Kiss for the month of October. Follow me on Instagram at jennystone.21 to see the manicures that I'm creating and let me know if you're joining in the fun. Let's begin. As a base, I've chosen this gorgeous Barielle nail polish. This one is called Lemondrops. I'm going to be using an image from this Ejiubas stamping plate EJB-X08. Let's remove the protective film. Here's another look at the plate. As you know, the Ejiubas stamping plates are double-sided, so these are the images on the other side of the plate. I'm going to use H la Cosedora's purple stamping polish called Purple Rain to pick up a few ghost images and stamp them on my nails. I use a strawberry huller to hold a piece of cotton which I soak in acetone to clean my plate. I also use it to clean my scraper card. From plate BeautyBigBang 02, I want to pick up the word boo. I use a lint roller to clean off my stamper. I'll seal in the design with my Born Pretty No Smudge top coat. Even though this top coat is water-based, for some reason whenever I use the purple stamping polish, it bleeds. I think it looks cool in this design, but I just wanted to mention that. This is the completed manicure. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye!